I was sent this portable, wireless, heated red light knee massager, and this is so cool. We're gonna do a demo with it. I actually don't have any knee pain right now. I feel very fortunate about that, but I'm still excited to feel that amazing knee massage. So it does come with your recharging cord. You just pop that in right down there, and then you also get your instruction manual. This is what it looks like, front and back. There's the on button right here. Starts up. You have 3 levels of heating. I'm gonna pop it to high. And then you have auto on your vibration, low, high. Let's stick with auto or off. And then you can choose the red light on or off. So when it's off, it will look like that. When it's on, you're gonna see that red light. Now, what's really cool about red light therapy is that it can go through clothing, so you don't need it to hit just your bare knee. You can keep your jeans or your pants on, whatever you're wearing. Okay, so we're gonna use these adjustable Velcro straps. They're nice long straps. Pop that into place. There's one. And you could do this while you're laying down. You could do it while you're standing, sitting up, whatever's easiest. Okay, so I have it on. I can already feel the heat, so it heats up really quickly, and it's giving a nice massage right now. We have it on auto. Let's take it up to high. So I feel that nice vibration. It kind of goes on, stops, back on, and I'm gonna take it back to auto. And that's it. Relax, let this do the work, and help your knees feel better. Even though I don't have any knee pain, it's so soothing, and I actually kind of forget I'm even wearing it. I think you're gonna love it.